Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel, Just Missy, where we do home decor, decorating, homemaking, cleaning, cooking, mobile home living, just basic homemaking. Today is going to be, I hope, we'll see, I have a little life announcement to make here, but if everything goes as planned, this should be the first in my Christmas series, Decorate With Me. And we're going to start with my 3-tier tray in this little area over here. That's what we're going to be doing today. So if you love homemaking and decor and cooking and hauls and all that stuff, fun stuff, cleaning, all that good stuff, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel. It's free. Join the Lovey Tribe. We would love to have you. We have a good time here. So instead of me blabbing, we're going to get into decorating. I'm really excited. I've been collecting for months, it feels like, things for my 3-tier tray. So it's one of my favorite things to decorate, so I'm really excited about it. Alright guys, so these are some of the things that I have been collecting over time. Some of these I've showed you guys in hauls. Some of these things I've shown you in like little clippets on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, you should. I'll put a little thingy over here and I am linked down below. And some of these I picked up over onto the Goodwill, like this beautiful piece. Look at this. So beautiful, handmade. Some of these were gifts from you lovies. Does anybody remember this guy? If you guys remember what we named him last year, this was a gift from a lovey. And I did a live and we named him live. If anybody remembers his name, comment down below. And I picked up just stuff. I just have stuff. And what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm going to, for the holidays, I'm gonna turn you guys, kind of pan you. I think I'm gonna put my 3-tier tray up here and do something different over here for my microwave. So I think I'm going to give my 3-tier tray a new home. So I want to clean that end of the the end of the counter, and then we'll get busy. So the first thing I want to start with is this adorable gnome garland that I got from the Dollar Tree as my base. I love using like garland and like bulbs and just like odds and ends of things to be like your filler. And I always start with the filler first and then build around it. So I want to get it down, and I just thought this gnome garland was adorable. You can find the cutest stuff from the Dollar Tree, I swear. So to split it between the 3 tiers, I just cut it into sections, measuring as I go so that I know that I have enough for each tier. I found this adorable bandana buffalo check nonetheless at the Dollar Tree, and of course this little elf too. I have a little trouble with this elf. I try to put him in different places until I finally found a perfect little home for him. So you probably will see him move a couple times in this video, but I definitely wanted to add him to my 3-tier tray because I just think he's adorable. So what I'm doing to the scarf here, this little bandana, is I'm cutting the tag off. I'm gonna fold it into thirds so that it has like a point, and then I'm gonna hang it off my 3-tier tray. I just thought it would be something different to hang off the side of the tray than like the typical like tray beads and stuff. I just thought it'd be really cute, something different. I love the black and red buffalo check. I think it is so Christmassy, so I definitely thought it would just be something a little different. And here we go with the little elf. And I would love to hear you guys. Can you think of a name for him? I kept looking at him. I'm like, I don't know what we should name him. George, Fred, I don't know. If you could think of a cute little name for Mr. Elf, leave it down in the comments too, because I would love to hear it. But he's going to make his appearance quite a few times in this video. Just warning you now, I move him a lot. So I got a like gnome lights teal red kind of thing going on in my 3-tier tray. It's just a mismatch of stuff, but by the end of it, it looks adorable. And here I go moving Mr. Elf everywhere. So I wanted my centerpiece and the tallest piece and like the focal piece to be this adorable gnome that of course came from the Dollar Tree. He was a gift from a very special lovey named Karen, and I love adding all the things that you guys send me, and just, I don't know, I'm just doing a mishmash stuff. So I'm going to put some teal in, buffalo check, we got some red going on, we got some elf going on, we got some truck going on, just a whole bunch of stuff going on. But I promise you, by the end of this, it looks adorable. Just anything Christmas you can think of is going into this tray. I didn't have like a specific thing, except for I know I wanted to do like gnomes and like a red truck kind of thing, and I wanted to incorporate my buffalo check and my teal and my red, and I think I achieved it. So you guys let me know by the end of the video how you felt. I'm just going to kind of fast forward it a little bit because this video is a little lengthy, and you guys let me know how you feel it turned out.
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you, we'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. Diamond stars when the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long, though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. Diamond stars when the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday, 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 yeah. Can't wait another year. Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side. What a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go. Diamond stars when the sky comes alive. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, jolly holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday, holiday, holiday.
So, life update, real quick. I'm not going to make it real long. So, we were waiting on someone who was interested in our mobile home about their mortgage. They were denied the first place, but they're retrying somewhere else. And while we were waiting to hear about if she got approved for the mortgage or not, we had one person come and look at it and absolutely loved it, and on the spot applied for a mortgage as well on our home, a loan, whatever you want to call it. So this is where we're at. We have 2 people, and that's where we're leaving it because, you know, I think today is November 8th. So as it is, that would put us not to be moving. You know, if we hear this week, we should hear Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, somewhere in there about both of them, if one of them was approved or not. And if they are, that'll put us into like second week of December, first week of December, somewhere in there, moving to New Jersey, another state. So if these two people are not approved, we're done. We're going to take our mobile home off the market until spring, because any later than this, I mean, that's like moving at Christmas time or January, February, and the weather here in southwestern Pennsylvania. I don't want to be moving in January, February, so we'll wait till spring. If one of these two people are approved for a mortgage, then we will be moving the first or second week to New Jersey of December. And so the reason why I'm telling you all this, because many of you guys have asked if we're still moving and all that stuff. So that's where we are with it right now. And because this happened at a spur of a moment, they came and looked at it on Friday, filled the application out, and they said they should know about Tuesday, Wednesday. I decided, even though I spent the whole 2 days cleaning and preparing for major Christmas decorating, even cleared the spot for the Christmas tree, I decided to hold off and only do one small space, which happens to be my little microwave area where my 3-tier tray sits. Because if I did all of that decorating and then got a phone call on Wednesday that they were approved and we are moving, that is so much more work for me, because now I have to undecorate everything I just took an entire weekend to do. So I'm just letting you guys all know, because I hyped you all up, because we really thought we were finished. We really thought it's just not going to happen for us in 2021. Hopefully it'll happen for us spring of 2022. So we were just done, and that's why I was just going to go for it and just decorate and do what I wanted to do. But this last minute thing happened, and I feel like it's just God. He's that last minute God who always comes in right at the right moment. So I'm holding off on doing big Christmas decorating for a moment, because I might be Christmas decorating in my new home. So we're just going to do this one little part to get the series kicked off, and the rest of it might have to wait until we move. Or if, you know, they both get bad news and God just doesn't have it for us to move in 2021, we'll wait till next year, and the Christmas series will kick off right here in my mobile home. So that's my life update. I just want to tell you what's going on and why in this video you're not seeing the Christmas tree and all the things that I wanted to do, because last minute we had someone come in, actually two, and they both applied for mortgages. So whatever God has for us. So either you're going to be seeing lots of Christmas decor, or you're going to be seeing lots of move with me videos. So let's get into what we're doing today. So the next little space that I'm going to bring some Christmas cheer to is my little microwave stand, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start off with a little buffalo check placemat to put down. I'm going to be adding lots of decor from the Dollar Tree here, more gnomes, more red trucks. I'm going to try to pull in all the red trucks, the gnomes, and my colors all together right here so that it flows nice, and some finishing pieces out by the 3-tier tray, and lots of candles, because for me, more lights, candles, sparkles, glittery stuff is definitely my version of Christmas. So I'm gonna work here. I really love how at the end all this little corner right here just all pulls together. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. So let's get this little corner decorated. Most of this decor comes from the Dollar Tree, and I love how just simple Dollar Tree, dollar decor just brings life. And all the things that are on my wall that you see behind me, if we are staying, I will be wrapping. I'll take all that down, find wrapping paper that matches my style, and we will bring life to the wall, so it won't look like there's Christmas below and then all this other stuff going on. I will put little knickknacks on the little teal boxes, and I'll be wrapping the pictures. It'll all come together, but I'm gonna wait to hear what's happening first. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me today to do my 3-tier tray and my little microwave area. I think it turned out so cute. It has gotten me so excited to decorate for Christmas. I hope I can wait to midweek to find out what's going on, because this is driving me crazy. I want to put my Christmas tree. But if I'm packing, I don't want to be doing that either. So I hate waiting. Does anybody else hate waiting? Seeing all this adorable stuff, I'm like, I'm ready. Let's wrap the pictures. Let's put the bows on. Okay, I'm gonna calm down. Deep breaths, Missy. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you enjoyed video number 1 out of my series of Christmas Decorate with me. If you hear beeping, we have construction going on next door. I apologize. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it gives you some Christmas inspiration, home decor. Most of my home decor that you see here came from the Dollar Tree. You can do really cute things with $1, let me tell you. Alright guys, I love you. And as I always say, whether God has blessed you with a mansion or a mobile home, be grateful for whatever He has given you, and I know that He will bless you with more. You bless my life. I love you all. I'll be talking to you very soon. Bye guys.